When I come in here, I feel it. I felt you. I felt your feeling so much. When you said, do you not come home? So, God, feel the real on it.
Then I'm my husband, man.
I'm not change. I'm not change, you know.
You know, one way, you know, brother, come here, man, when my woman take long to you know, me know
You cannot.
Let me take all baby aisle.
Let me say, I not have no change. I mean, I want to say, you know, like, oh, you understand? Because I know it take long for people to try and not go back to that home. You have to walk and come back to the change.
And you know, said that then I go on this morning, so me we wait until I get change, so.
Well, they are going to lay down your son.
Well, lay down.
But you know, I sleep, yes, you know, because people have to come. You have to go out the road, they go wait for your change. You have to go across. Wait for your change.
So we say we never want a woman like crazy, but we want the happiest one in the world, you know. The happy and hey, you can be like this a fly like this.
Ooh, ooh.
You can watch it. You ever watch put and drink water?
Jesus Christ. You hear them bars there? And that's a going in the morning,
I
yeah.
tell the people how much crazy. I never know I say loving in a girl.
My loving nice.
Me never see, me never know. And when me see you, or you demonstrate the thing. But the last one that nearly make I cry. Do you not coming home?
I said I want to sweet you.
No, you just see me that melt me up. And me just know say what, man. And me can hear the...
You can hear the passion in my voice. I'm not just attack.
Hey,
that's how life
you
come
know
on.
champion girl?
Life come with enough, man. I fit to survive, you know.
All
You
you
have
man
to
are
fight
big
for you,
thing
believe me,
mode.
like that.
You think if you not fitting
If
can't
you
survive?
lose, you lose. But if you already lose, if you let me lose, me win. Because the fact that me fight,
I've been
me win. Always a winner.
all them are want a big thing mode. You know what me say? Crazy. You're a champion girl. Me tell the people that might not say, oh, I'm my friend that. You say me, wait, me say I'm my friend, me and the girl just sit down and talk. And I'll marriage day, me wish up the marriage good. No.
Bumbo clap, marriage day, tell them chat, man.
Wish up the marriage beautiful and I say, oh, marriage should go on and stay for 100 years.
That's true, man. It was good, beautiful vibes, man. Blessing. But you know everything come with all sort.
I want to, you know what people don't love you, girl? Man, the real people, them.
Yeah.
They love you like cook food.
Crazy.
They got the man liver people.
They got the Mandeville people, them. Yes, man, every time. Queenie Worldwide.
Hey.
Global.
They know what song, you know. I'm say, you're a boy with it. You can come drive up with that. So this the girl down. What they call every minute for your husband. What I mean, you are. They must say, no, she that say, yeah. I see that thing crazy, girl.
Crazy, never lazy.
Never lie.
Where say the girl with eyes that cry for her husband. Pussy clad, cry, Queenie. Cry, baby, moonshine, Queenie. Take off your clothes and go to your bed. When you cry, you let out the steam, and you know that life cut like a knife. And I am a wife. Ray.
Look, you see me now. That's all they can do now.
I wanna.
Say hi, Yvette.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah. So I'm right, Chris. Isn't that alright?
Good morning, Roy.
Big up the where pretty girl come from. All that nice clean fat pussy girl them in the morning. So yes, that's the best.
What's sweet? You know, I'm
Hold on a minute for a look
yes,
right,
baby,
funny.
yes, alright, baby, alright. You're nice, sweet. You know me.
I will arrest myself first.
That's why we never type in type of talk. I'm crazy.
And I go, you know, I write the price on my things.
Say morning, shop man.
Good morning, crazy. How are you?
Say morning to the royal crazy.
Why? Yield up to the royal crazy girl.
Crazy.
Girl. That is so nice. Crazy. I never knew you were a loving girl. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I am telling you. I hear you. I'm hear your passion. Just stop the crazy girl and say
I mean, lovely. You know, have to buy it, you know.
Hey, you see love? You see love? Man, I talk about love at this.
Love conquer it all, man. Everything, man. If you're there hospital, I love.
I don't hear you say crazy.
If you're there prison, I love. If you're a dance, I love. You just know, sir, love is lovely.
When I tell me, see you in a like a when I place, you get to a new place. And you hear some girl in there that buy something. I say, what's crazy? I was at the place.
Crazy, Bombo.
Happy nice to make it here.
So
you know what you want, stuff, what you think?
You truly the Chapman, Bombo Clad.
You know what, stuff, what you think,
I
man?
know it's a shark man, a fisherman.
Yo, it's crazy.
Yes, man.
But one thing, you know, one thing I want to say. One thing I want to say. When you get more deeper in God. You see, I love the way I have.
Yes.
I love the way I have.
Amen.
Don't to mankind alone.
Truth.
Give some to God.
You gotta get enough. Give more enough more.
Them not see crazy man say you're a good pitney man.
That's true, man. I'm a good pitney for true.
You say me never know say you love you crazy. That's not joke, man.
Chapman, them I bless you upon the life. Say to them.
Respect all British girl.
Yeah.
Link up.
America, worldwide, all over the Canada, yeah.
Worldwide, we don't African, we
Tell them come here, I will fish again.
What's that? No, we can't tell them no lie. But you know, say crazy, our girl.
Yeah.
Always. No matter who I'm here.
When say not trick them, tell them. You know, I make them don't know to fish talk.
I'm not to do like I'm gonna say you too lie, them would get a alright.
Shama, you can't leave me.
I'm a fisherman friend, tell them say I would give them a whip and shark. Fish. Me not say nothing, man.
Oh, I only go from British girl. I'm get
They will say about you. Somebody where you know us. Okay. You have our number? Eh? Alright, maybe we'll talk about it.
Crazy. Crazy. Love to see you.
That's true, man.
You know, I love to see you though. Go you cry.
Yeah.
Go you. Give what you say. You just want back your husband. You know, when you said that part, you know, I remember. Yeah, when Dewey go to cross the road, you say, oh, mother boy.
Oh, I remember. Yeah, man. The first time him come meet me, I say, man, tread my nigga. I say, Marga, him brought to the Marga selfie, and look at that. Him becomes my husband. And then people sit down and chat shit. People chat shit, you know. You see?
Some people talking to me that wipe me knife on their skin, you know, because they don't know they're great. Hey, crazy. Crazy. God know, me not tell them.
Jack, when you catch a fish last night?
I go out last night. Tonight, me have
So you carry a knife to go see? Me bumbo clad fisherman. That's true, man. Memories not live like people do. Memories not live like people do.
School of crazy man, Mr. Boy. You say me adapt your style, this girl. Me adapt some style for you with love. See, I love that. You know, say me that a girl and me that treat her bad. And when time me look why you're going, me say, no, man. And I say, go. Crazy. Me pull a crazy example. Me cry for me, man, too.
What you mean?
I cry for you.
I show my passion, man. You have passion to something is a hell of a thing, man. You know, remember we married for better or for worse than a shot, man. So when the worst comes.
Hey, never say that.
Well, that no one never, but go on.
The worst thing the man when they married.
The worst thing what them could put in marriage is the worst. The word worst.
Let me tell you about that. I read now. Said that day I read the book. And that say, don't use the mouth or use and say for better. Don't use it to go.
It's contradicting. It's very contradicting. Because you signed for it, so you agree with it. So when it happens now and you want ball and say you can't cope, you're fucking contradicting to your own fucking self as well. So that's how me look on it, why me ball and go and say, look, I remember back the voice, I said, Bumbleclad, what are the worst thing in a marriage?
That the pastor them stop use that the better.
But it's not going to change. But either way, better or worse, I go in it from your marriage, the commitment and
the Bible you must not say that.
Boy, may I tell you, say,
in the Bible that themselves. So if pastor them wicked, why do I use this word?
Listen, if you follow people and everything, that's why I'm just deal with humanity and life as it comes.
Mr. Man, anything my book say, by holy word say, that I'm going to read. You want to sit there for drink? You want cold drink, I will cool on myself.
Sometimes, morning, baby girl. Sometimes you get some dream and some stupid dream. When the next time you get a dream and it just makes sense. So life come, even in a dream, sometimes you dream foolishness.
Let me tell you what, man. About 4 nights ago, I lay down. 4 nights ago, I lay down there, yo. I just lay down and I'm going to start sleeping up here.
Forgot to depend this.
I don't know, sleeping thing, you know. I'm going to start sleeping, you know. But so I shut my eye crazy. me tell you what I say.
Yeah.
Yeah. On a mountain. See?
Yeah.
But it come like an earthquake come. One high mountain, you know. It's crazy. One high piece of mountain, you know. Watch it now. The mountain, probably the pan. Cut off and I carry me. See? We see, when me have to go jump, one water the right, one blue pretty water the right.
Blessing.
And what you know, see over there, so I tough land and me have to go jump, you know. Crazy. You see when it's something no carry,
Why put it in a between us, so yeah.
You see when the piece of hill the camera crazy. I find that in the panel like right out there, so. It's when you reach there, so. We just jump across the water and jump on the piece of land over there, so. And jump out of my sleep.
Yeah.
We say what a sweet.
What a beautiful dream.
We say me just lay down.
And sometimes in your dream you go through some obstacle, but then you conquer it back at the water.
The water blessing.
Alright.
If it's a hill it carry me right now, you don't know say I'm losing that. But me jump for safety.
I ever get some dream?
I
have jump over some mountain. I have fly. I up in the tree. I dip on house. Oh my God, dreams are crazy. You really know some people in a dream.
What we do a little ice, I want to marry.
What?
I give me $300 marry.
You know, I gotta see.
No, I give me $300 me go.
Hey,
Money
Jesus Christ. On Saturday?
Everything we spend Saturday.
Everything is. Good morning.
You know, next time again, when I come here, the man just come from and the man say, gone. The man gone. It's a crazy go back from that. When I tell everything go back.
Listen, man. Shot man, you're taking the whole shebang.
We say, I will tell you, the man just hold the plane and make that. Where man done?
Come on. What kind of side green I want?
You know a t-shirt?
Give me a t-shirt.
Give me a t-shirt.
What side?
Mad. What treat?
God is good all the time. Hello.
Okay, but that thing $100 I spend when I come. I'll do me the man trust the baby a lot.
$3,000 fee.
I give me $9,000 one man.
Right?
Crazy. One time you go take one island. And no money now run to me. You have to pay side up, me have to pay one.
My blood clot. Come on and bring up that. I say, one day this man, you know, trust me things, you know, I'm not trust, you know. And he used to come in, you know, a fisherman come and take me things. I must have 5 months, me not see him.
How you do the extra? How you do the extra large?
Every,
I want extra large.
I know extra large. See, that's small. Every morning, people are say them see man. I say one morning coincident, me and him go on a back road and me and him buck up in a one and that say, you know, me when I come out, you know. I say pussy all of my Monday, I'm go suck this and I say class. I say and then them I take the woman over there say him give me fish for the money.
Allah, nobody never tell us that.
Yo,
don't speak like that.
Tell
Don't
me
speak
some
like
say you
no, I'm not saying
you carry the fish come
and you
and you go cross the road with the fish and say so you tell her say give me
Allah, you tell
but you come cross the road and you know there you go with the fish and you take the feed that. I say I buck him up on and me there I say I buck up in blood clot. I say if him could have dig a hole and go in at him.
It's when we come and see her. I'm there, call. See me don't get vexed and
You
deep.
feel good.
Give me that. I'm going to buck. Where on the road? Like when come kiss you.
I say send me blood clot. Me and him buck up on the road, man. I say if him could have gone at the hole. He never knows say something happen.
I didn't even know something happened. I've been wanting to
So you cost him cost
Two hours put on a blood clot on a back.
because that and nearly hug up that and kiss that with one top of that.
Mixing around there, so for the money.
It's every day because that hug up that.
I'm gonna chat to him. I mean him come and buy me run him and me and my chat till him take time.
And you know when we go spend to
You know.
I don't know how much.
You know, see where I come from now. 5,000 me I spend now. Give me a baby eye to the eye of my fish yourself. Give me this, give me that, give me that. One man said, I'm not selling nothing. Come and now stop, come back, you know.
Yeah, still come.
Yeah, running my man. And if I come cuss me too, you know.
Yeah.
I say, I'm not telling him I cuss me. Him angry himself and him cuss me now. But I'm blood clots, man.
I like them one there. I like them one.
And him a cuss to come a little bit and short and rank in the blood clot. I say, when I'm done with him on a backward, man. I cuss and hey! That's who him a chat to, so cuss.
Dead. You say you don't love your tar. You don't like it at the behind. Right. Why you come at me can't live good, sir?
Man, you can't tongue out for blood.
That's tongue now, me, no. Don't eat now, me, don't
Say
tongue
me
now.
and shot man crazy.
Oh, boy, I'm bad. I'm no shot my rank, you know.
I say I fight till I fight on them, man.
You know what, me don't go crazy, we don't hold on. Service, you know.
None of that they eat, they were that
I
what.
say them, you don't go
I
about
say early, me see him just come pay me my own.
And find it quick.
Yes, man, if you go, man.
I want to I'll spend nice money too. Because and buy your drink as well.
If I just see the people there.
That's all you know. That's fine. Although we met nice money, that's all.
I'm saying, you know what hurt me? I see him say, no, but him get the fish, because me see him come cross the fish and say over there. I go, I say, my dog get no fish from him. You know, so when I say, that's how I get bring when I buck him up in the man.
And nice, you see.
I say, I'm right in that cash back, I buy around there, so you know, I don't know how, time I come out in there, but God just send me out. And me and him just have come on the bench same time.
Me says, beer bomb drop around there.
Some high class bomb drop by nothing on the buffet.
Nobody just said that, everybody I look.
Let us all now busy with me. What it all for?
The family never did a video though.
And in my class, me see a class.
Hey, you want one me pass one, the one day me never pass like Cuba by drop and I get it. You want one next door. But it was when it's met nice yesterday. I'm busy with the old part. Why?
Where my takes outside walk and I hide.
5 months, I don't see me not tell them.
Alone sidewalk. Alone sidewalk.
I'm asking them, I say, yes, you come around this time, and me now say I have my own, and we are ramp with. So I buck up him bum, buck like that. I say, drunk crop. I say,
me no want that, they need the feet.
Who me I call drunk crop stop? I say, call you drunk crop. I'm going to tell me, say, drunk crop alone, blood clot walk, and trust people think I'm up there. I say, me and him run it.
Yeah, we don't want that, they need the feet.
Maybe never have.
Why?
Feel good enough.
I say, I'm serious enough.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Buy her a beer, man. If them say them love your pretty blue house, our house pretty for true. Royalty.
Crazy.
Yeah.
If me did have one gun under the day and him have a gun, you wouldn't dare to tell no blood clot age, man.
A lie.
Yeah, shoot out, wicked. Yeah. Pie, whole heap of gunshot fire on a back road. And when me a fire shot, when me a fire shot my rifle, the mouth is a rrrr. Me and him. Him a classmate, you know. I'm rank, you know. But, as I tell you, shot man, some blood clots sitting. And shot man tell me some sitting at a classy man.
Jamaica people, man, I fuck with them, man. In the ghetto, man.
My money too.
In the fucking ghetto, fam. And that's why I see some people when them see my awful like, and I'm like, shut the fuck up, man, cause when awful come out of everybody, them full with it.
At least me and him a cause fine out.
Let me see it.
This me and him nearly kill one backla baby.
That's shame.
Just from me. Cause I'm always biting him come from sea for all him skin, you know. One backla blood clot baby all, you know. And we my ramp with. And I hide and like him take me feed that. I'm look for him and I say, short man, just give me 2 fish when it feed. Like, every day I go and see all them people see him and see I come down the boat for him blood clot and him no go and see.
Yeah.
He take me feed that.
You can't fish me got that.
No ramp with me.
I got that alone response so why I'm crazy.
Hey, short man, everybody knows anybody take my own, me want my own, you know. I don't fuck for my own. I'm in a so cocky for reach. I'm really
Lord,
speak, I go want my blood clot when them have money for me. I go want it. I don't run joke. Either you kill me or want my money and my honest money.
Every minute you have to get up serve.
Why serve now? Why score now? No, I want
that. That score the pass jump over a long time. I have to give you, I'll give me more panic now.
I don't know more figure now. Anything I must wear now?
No, listen up. You give me back the baby eye, Papa. Because I don't want me to go because baby the next time I fight, you fight. Do.
You can't give back the island in my pocket. Nobody long will take it. Let us so long to take this island again, Kyra.
I better me take it raw. So you say no go and see last night at the island?
My clothes are always raw. For my clothes is a raw clothes, you know. My clothes are always raw. As long as I'm there, the clothes are always raw. The only clothes doesn't raw is the one that I take when I'm going home. But as long as I'm the sea, all of raw.
And when I dress up in a blood.
Yeah, hot boy, you know, hot boy for true, man.
Hey, short man, when I dress up in a man.
That's true, man.
Wicked man.
Coordinated, suited and booted. Sharp man, a hot boy.
Mr. Road, man. So I get my slip can't stay up in peace. Like I want sometimes. My zip cannot stay up in peace.
So you get them draw down his zip every minute.
Shaman, so oh my God, look what me and I argue over one baby aisle. One baby aisle.
Anyway, I don't go back there now, because
Listen.
how much more I forget to talk because I have money more from here and buy something else.
How will you take?
And the baby aisle. And the beer and this and the cigarette. How money must go?
So Auntie Marina.
What?
So you see that you come straight up. Coming on the money and I have money for about Monday, Tuesday. Alright.
Shaman, I'm tired now. I can't take another fighting for me.
We not do that again. No, sir.
I don't have the time for that again.
We get shaky now, so we have to fix up the
Shaman, I have cutlass now, you know.
You have cutlass?
Yeah.
Yeah, for.
Like one.
What the fuck? Come here, let me speak to girl.
I baddest thing on the cut, yes, man.
Where can I come here about
You
crazy?
see this?
Crazy, you know, say you can't
You
the
see,
cut
no,
there.
you see, when
know
I
me.
have this one day when I have my baby aisle and an aisle for me.
See back right there.
See there?
You see that?
You know, so the person who give this don't love you. You know, give a person like you this.
I find it come
Me see me know if the person who love you does not like love you.
No,
so
man.
them give me for kill one now, no. But owe me, like all you. So you see me I get 1 week to bring the $500 come.
So you want to give me $500?
You have people kill it for $1, and the way you do it. Because I'm not going to make
So if I give you that much,
I'm
you
not
don't
going to
love
make
you.
you cuss me like the last blood clot time, you know. I'm telling you, say you're drunk, you know, you're blood clot, dead me, kind of this and that, and a different
Slap him up. Yeah, slap him up first with that. Yeah.
A different blood clot style.
He might get the teaser first with that.
I said, you one come with a back or front, and I want two, you know. You
Yeah.
understand?
Jesus Christ, how you doing this?
Yeah, give him 2 come first, you know.
Dead in the arena. I will like to see.
Bro, I saw me see it last night. Blood clot.
Aye.
Hey, shot man, one day me and Floco tongue there, we had some wicked joke, you know. And then two, him start cough, laugh, and I do the woman a cough, and I say, if you dead, dead. So when Sharpman come the man in and block yard, give Sharpman a joke. The Sharpman say still go over there buy from her and drink from her. I say, what you know? I say, when he come one night now to blood clot. When I'm drunk, she learn some drugs. And me a laugh to me by Mary, plug somebody over me. Dead! 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 God. But not every night to come and kill Rocky one of that joke, you know.
You ain't doing whatever you want. I don't see what doing up people and all that.
And normal Joe. Them Joe, they make you drop all that grog if you don't turn up strong, man. Joe could kill you, man, for truth, man.
Go across the water. Go across from my side of the road. hustling then. Hustling over here, so.
We say hustling.
Yeah.
You gone overseas?
Alright. You know me have to go away hustling then. Can't get 250 scale more and all them.
Everything in our game.
You see me? You say anything to make my money? I
Yeah.
don't play.
Yes.
I don't play.
Also,
But I don't work. I don't do it for any people.
yes.
I don't want you to think I'm a Cameroon.
Say me there in England.
I'm not a Cameroon.
Yeah, me the
Watch
England.
out. After yesterday, made them talk about stand for the like. I said, what are you? I want to ask him. Ask him
But
first.
Chairman, that the knife they bigger than you, man.
I two him have. Show you two upon them. Fisherman style.
If your knife, the man is bigger than you.
Don't play with people. These people is very wicked.
What kind of suck mother argument I go on for me something? Suck your mother? Why you typing rude stuff for? Some people ask some stupid question. What kind of suck mother something I go on? Me not even peering on a comment over here. What not fuss about this Saturday morning now? This what now? Complain to your queen. The burden bearer there. Come. Awa. When I get a little Saturday morning vibes, I'm over here I talk about something other. What you not being rather fucking rude for? The truth hurts. Innit? What the fuck is going on though? What truth? Don't tell me now. Don't give me a brig, you know. I'm here in a chat. I meet them a chat. Well, it's about me because it's my fucking telly. What's going on though, fam? Them are created them are cause people feel why? Because you're being rude. Because she's being rude, isn't it? Well, why is she being rude? People them are war, innit? She's unsent somebody that trying to just a lie. Go laba juice your mama. Go bomb flick your mama. Go summer sauce your mama. Go kiss kitty KY mama. Any blood clot thing we about me about them back. Where? What else? I don't know where I go. Why crazy don't tell. No mess. Bumbo clot. Them a cuss over me. Eh! Them a war over me. Oh! So them a cuss over me. Eh! Cause me are the queen. Eh! Bumbo clot ash baby mother. You look nicey. Oh my God. You look beautiful. Bumbo clot. Oh, you look good, so no, oh, you look so nice. Oh, beautiful.
Show them, man, make them show. No.
Me not show them. Me just show them the belly. Make them don't see her.
Jessica.
She's a sexy girl. Ash baby mother. The
Jessica,
work
come back in the crew. I put you out of the crew now. When you take the paper and cross your ex. You know, you have to rest now. You're pregnant and say if you go sit down, man. Somebody else want your spirit, go sit down. When you have baby, then 2 year time signing back.
When I come back to England, when Jesus say England, I will be back. When Jesus say England, I will be back. But right now, Jesus say Jamaica. I don't know when I come back to England. But I reach back already. She look nicey. Oh my God, she looks so sweet. The baby grew with her. I should drop out that she forgot for 2 more for that.
I should have one too, you know.
You want to have one?
Yeah, little baby fit. That's it.
Me, a nicest thing ever right now. Tell me look at a nice baby there. No,
But
sir.
tell me, breathe now, say me about little baby. No, but I'm mad to blood clot.
Jeez.
I'm stay there, say you creep up and down, you draw down the something blood clot.
Wanna enjoy last night?
Mother mad.
Eh? Wanna like last night? Last night, sweet for sure. And some bumper rascal that we're going with.
Last night was the past night.
Friday, you know, you stay ready for the music video? Yeah, man, when I come back to England. If we be it for morning, Yeah, my beard from morning. 2 times already. 1 time when I'm yard and 1 time coming here, sir. I left me yard and coming here, sir. Within maybe 30 minutes, I go beard in a event bathroom and put on my same clothes. So, let me tell you this little bummer ass class, all this. You see the way all hot flush, menopause, sun pause, and me were at all we know and blood clot beard, we have to beard. You see all this? You just see me with one of this, I just take it and show I chew up for myself too. But I did not get this blood clot to the car. Yes, my beard, 2 times already. At 9:25 in the morning, I'm wake up from 6. I'm coming around. What time I'm coming after 8? I come at event.
And you come just waking up.
And by the time I'm going to event bathroom, I just take off my clothes and wash off. Eh?
As for the mirror call me from morning for one them want iPhone charger. And they may saw them sound like them in us so. But true, remember we never lucky gate last night.
Oh, so them come
I
close.
say just push the gate and Mama, I'm a girl early. I say, I later they could I move? And then I say, Mama, I want a charger, I go work. I say, after 3, I go on my bed, you know. Who done? Who?
Bubba clap. I wake up from 6. As I wake me up for bed. So I like a lime. I say when you sweat, underneath you sweat, under your breast sweat, under your arm sweat, everywhere sweat. So don't ask me how much time I beard. I walk with bottles of waters. And when I can't get for going to the bathroom, I'll in the van, I'll just come out and go and say, oh, what's up on my clothes? Yeah, so no ask.
Sometimes I tell me, I turn over.
And 9 times I beard. And 9 times I beard. Not yesterday, the day before. 9 times. Sour like lime, sour like sour sweat, man. Sour. Moly. And a joke eater go on a Jamaica, you know. But it's good, I like it. I like the sweat.
As me feel, but I'm not going to stand up on that pipe with my ear and just
wet up. Why you think me not have no hairstyle? Fuck that. When I go on that pipe, water beat on the wall of this, I'm just going to say, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Father God. Yeah, man. I mean, I tell you, see, the hot flush is a different kind of heat. Everybody get menopause different. You can't escape it. Any blood clot will take it anytime, any hours. Yeah, everybody menopause different. True me crazy. My bad up my one, my crazy up my one. But me I tell you, it's a bumble whole thing. And it give mood swings to Yvette. It give mood swings. Listen, man. You see how yesterday, when I see the water running down from me, I feel bad, I stay, so.
I'm saying, when I'm standing up on that pipe, I'm dead. I'm saying, I feel bad, I'm make up my face, and I sweat. I'm wash off. I'm come out. I'm not dry up now, then I come out, I'm standing up on the toilet, so I'm short of it, I give me the blood clot.
Oh, God. Queenie.
Morning.
I say I short of breath. Other nice things, man.
That's true, man. Like me, I sweat yesterday, now, you know, sir, energy sweat. So me, I
Say the way
sweat.
they eat, me say the way they eat, and you know, no woman have no ranking pussy I work with.
That's true, man.
Because you have to, like, coming like, me have spices, I never love water, so, till now. Me I say what you know the right side, me get underwater, me live now, underwater.
Friday, I true, man, I do this something. When we come, right now, I'm there in Jamaica, I just a cruise. You know them ones? Yeah, man, I have a whole heap of things to put in play. But it's because I'm so crazy, never lazy. When I do I'll 30 something one time, you know.
Oh, that does a pretty for the white dress. Oh, Devante. Alright, hang up, may I lift it up now? May I show you my nice juicy